We are with another set of gang of girls here. जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, समझने की कोशिश करेंगे ISME के बारे में. When we are looking for the admission for B school, आप कर रहे होगे उस समय. You do have many options in Bengaluru, Delhi, Pune, Mumbai. But why you choose this ISME only? इतने सारे options के बाद ISME क्यों choose किया? क्या चीज़ थी जो attract किया आपको?
द मेन अट्रैक्शन जो मुझे लगा था वो था फॉरेन प्लेसमेंट्स एंड प्लस हम फॉरेन जाते हैं तो हमारे एक ट्रिप होगा सिंगापुर में. सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम लोग नेक्स्ट ईयर जा रहे हैं तो वी आर नॉट गेटिंग नॉलेज फ्रॉम वन सेटअप, हमें ग्लोबल नॉलेज मिल रहा है और जहाँ यहाँ की फैकल्टीज़ है वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज देंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज है, आपको केस स्टडीज़ करवाएंगे.
For me, it's the placements here and also the open door policy here. How the college is very friendly. I have researched and all of my friends are here in other colleges stating that they don't see the faculty often and they're unable to meet the faculty directly. But in ISME, we have this open door policy where students can go directly to the dean sir and director sir. And we have many events taking place over the conclaves and all where the only students can organize and they have a direct opportunity to connect with the senior most panelists and all the companies.
I choose this college because it has very diverse background. Students come from north, east, west, south and everywhere. So it is better to get exposed to their culture and we have mentors 4 to 5 students is allocated to one mentor so we can get day-to-day updates from them.
क्या चीज़ ऐसा था जिसको हमने एक एक्सपेक्टेशन लेके आए थे और क्या उस एक्सपेक्टेशन के हिसाब से ही कॉलेज था या कुछ और अच्छा था या कुछ कमी दिखाई दी कॉलेज के अंदर?
फर्स्ट डे ही हम लोग जब अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आते हैं हमारा ओरिएंटेशन होता है और वहीं पे हमारे पेरेंट्स को बोल दिया था कि फॉरगेट योर चिल्ड्रन बिकॉज ये इतने बिजी हो जाएंगे कि उनके पास टाइम ही नहीं होगा. और हमको UGC आदत था कि लास्ट मोमेंट पढ़ लेंगे या हो जाएगा, पर यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ता है एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि आप डिले करोगे, आप अपना अप टू डेट रहते हो, आपको न्यूज़ रोज़ पढ़ना पड़ता है और आपको हर रोज़ अपने आप को बेटर करना ही पड़ता है. तो ये मेरा जो एक्सपेक्टेशन था कि UG की तरह हो जाएगा वो नहीं है, आपको मेहनत करना ही पड़ेगा.
Tell me something about the faculty. Is this college faculty is approachable?
Very approachable, sir. I'm telling you, compared to all the colleges, my friends have been telling you again. This college, the faculty is the best. They don't have any, hierarchy program or something. We can meet them and anytime, even after the hours, they just allot the time to us and they just clarify our doubts. And even in Sundays also, if we need any extra class before the exams, they just take it and just solve the doubts.
What about the quality of the faculty?
Everyone has the doctorate. Most of the faculty has the doctorate.
They do have the experience of teaching?
Yes, sir. They come from the industry. Actually, from 10 years, 35 years of industry experience. So we get the blend of professional teaching style and also the
लेकिन जो आप
industry
काम की बात कर रहे हो वो काम तो उन्होंने कई साल पहले किया था. आज किस तरह से इंडस्ट्री के साथ अटैच हैं? ऐसा कुछ है यहाँ पे? कुछ फैकल्टीज हैं जो आज भी किसी न किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ अटैच हैं और उनको नॉलेज है आज इंडस्ट्री में क्या हो रहा है?
Yes, sir. Actually, we have this Sangram sir and all. They have recently come to this college and they have this vast experience outside and they're also continuously just like us. They're also continuously adapting to the new technologies and they also teach us.
So classes are more theoretical or more practical or theoretical plus practical?
It's more theoretical and practical blend of both. It's not just we're just studying the theoretical questions and everything. So for every study we'll be implementing those topics into the case studies. So after every session we'll be having case studies.
Okay.
So for every 2 to 3 sessions we'll have a case study and we need to imply whatever we're studying in over it. So the students will have this vast knowledge, not only just the theoretical knowledge. So they would have this knowledge how to imply those topics into the current scenario.
Please tell me something about the presentations, assignment. इसका workload कैसे manage करते हो और कैसा रहता है?
The workload is heavy. You have to work days, nights and all, making presentations day to day along with exams, along with reports, along with case studies, and it is huge task. You cannot take it lightly because everything depends on the marks. You get the confidence when you do the presentation, the more you practice, that they are preparing right now.
Please tell me something about the placement or the internship. Internship का पहले बताओ. Internship के हर बच्चे के लग जाता है कॉलेज से? जो सीनियर से बात हुई है क्योंकि आप फर्स्ट ईयर में हो तो शायद ना पता हो, अभी तक 6 महीने ही आपको हुए यहाँ पे.
So most of our senior are placed right now. So they got their internship, 2 months internship, and they got in very good companies like Decathlon, Asian Paints, EY. So and they have a diverse program. इन लोगों का एक प्रोग्राम होता है ITP program where after your internship आप 1-6 महीने की internship कर सकते हो. So you have to do your classes and after class you can do in post internship. And most of the chances are कि जितने लोगों ने भी उसमें participate किया they have got full time there. Like companies like Grant Thornton has come in that. मतलब कि जो हमारा कॉलेज है वो 360 degree approach दे रहा है आपको opportunity बढ़ाने के लिए.
What is the scenario here? Do we have the HR placements? Do we have finance placements also? Or we have only marketing companies?
There are equal opportunities to all the fields here, like HR, finance, analytics, and also marketing. Not all colleges kindly focus on marketing. They'll say that there's this thing.
Whenever we have talked to many of the college students, they are just complaining me, sir, marketing का placements आता है, marketing companies आती हैं, mostly companies are coming for the sales background. Marketing means branding, promotion, research, advertising. Finance means school finance. HR means recruitment. क्या इनके लिए भी company आती है?
Yes, sir. Actually, recently we just had this talk with a senior named Harsha, and she got placed in Deloitte. She's from a finance background, so I'm telling you, many people are placed in finance and equal to HR. So it's not just about marketing.
Please tell me something about the hostel facility.
Compared to other colleges, it is very good,
Okay.
and food is really better. Vegetarian food we get, and 24/7 electricity. Hostel gate closes at 9, so whatever you do till 9, it is acceptable. And later you have to come inside. 24/7 hot water, no problem from any wardens.
Food-wise?
Food is good, sir.
Food is good. Hygiene.
Hygiene is also very good. Every day they clean the rooms, so no need to take tension of it.
कैसे दिन की शुरुआत होती है और कहाँ दिन खत्म होता है?
Usually we get up at 7, so we have classes at 9. So during that we have to read newspapers every day, and then we have to have breakfast and then go to the class. So we all are the CRs of the class, so we have a lot of work. We have to coordinate with the teacher, plan the day, and then we have classes from 9 to 4:30. And after that we have different events that come up, like TEDx हो रहा है, conclave हो रहा है, we have to work for that till 8, 9. फिर 9 के बाद हमारा असाइनमेंट्स और एग्जाम्स का प्रेशर शुरू हो जाता है, तो वी यूजुअली स्लीप एट 2 or 3 in the morning. तो हेक्टिक डे है, पर जब करते हैं तो मज़ा भी आता है.
So in every colleges, like I said, they don't give the opportunity to handle these big events like TEDx and conclaves directly to the students. But here, since from the day one, getting the sponsors, for getting the registrations done, and talking to everyone, talking to other college principals and all, we have to go there and we have to take the initiative and talk to all the people.
One thing which you don't like?
One thing which I don't like is the hectic schedule, but yes, like she said, eventually you get used to it, and if there's no hectic schedule, you'll get bored for sure.
एक ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जिसको हम चेंज करना चाहेंगे आप?
Maybe no extra classes on weekends.
Okay.
एज सच अभी तो जितना हम लोगों ने कोर्स किया, हमें सही में वीकनेस नहीं दिखा है, बिकॉज हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पिंग फैसिलिटीज़ है. अगर हम कहीं भी फंसते हैं तो वो हमारे लिए हमेशा होते ही हैं. तो हमें अगर लगता भी है तो हम डायरेक्टली बोल देते हैं और अगले दिन तक चेंज भी हो जाता है.
Do you feel any changes in yourself, about your personality, about your communication, anything?
Yes, I see a very long, drastic change actually compared to UG and coming to PG. Like we all thought we can ace the exams just before the one night study, all night pull up, but no, it's like a continuous learning every day because we have assignments and also you don't have any time to procrastinate or something. So you have to work every day and improve yourself daily.
Any message for the future, those who are looking for admission in this college?
I think it is a great career opportunity, and even if you are from diverse background like BTech, कोई भी state से, and you will feel मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, बैंगलोर बहुत बड़ा सिटी है ये सब. Let me tell you, यहाँ के faculties will make you do it और हो जाएगा. Just come and join us, and we will be the seniors by that time, so we will help you.
Studies will be hectic. You have to come prepared. You have to study every day, not just prior to the exams.
So these are the students of ISME Bengaluru. Maybe just because of the camera and just because we are shooting these videos in the campus, हो सकता है कुछ चीज़ें हों जो शायद ना बताएं या छुपाने की कोशिश करें. You do have my number on the screen, 9891898289. Call me, WhatsApp me anytime. We'll share you name and number so that you can connect directly to these students and get to know the real picture of ISME. बहुत कुछ जानने को मिलेगा. Believe me, admission लेना है नहीं लेना आपके ऊपर है, लेकिन जब भी एडमिशन लेना है यहाँ के प्रेजेंट बच्चों से बात करने के बाद ही लेना है. You have any query, any doubt, call me anytime. Thank you. Thanks a lot.